Okay, welcome to the ATS Applied Text System instructional video on how to use the shift configurator. After you have logged into the system, you'll get on the menu bar the shift configurator available. And when you click on this link, you'll end up on the page that you see here at the moment. Now in this configuration you already see that there is a first shift created for weekdays, and you also see that there is already times assigned to this shift. Start has been made. So you see this shift on a normal weekday would start work at 6 in the morning, and then at 8 in the morning they will have a break time up to 8:15, and then they'll work again until 10 in the morning. Now you'll see that I can add more times to this shift to finish this shift. I click on edit here, and I can fill in that this break would be until 10:30, and then they'll work until 12 o'clock. I'll save this and I'll continue this, and I say edit again, and this will be another 15-minute break, and after which they will work until the end of their shift, which would be at 2 o'clock. And you see this is all based on military time, and you also see I don't need to fill it in up to the second level. That will be just automatically filled in then with 0 seconds. Now this is the entire configuration for a shift, the first shift on a normal weekday. Now if I want the second shift of a normal weekday, I'll do this. I'll say add shift. I say shift number 2 for a weekday, and I click update, and you see it here now in the list. When I select in the list, you'll see there's no times assigned yet to this shift, so I'll go ahead and do that. And I'll say that in this case it starts where the other shift stops at 2 o'clock, and it'll work for 2 hours, and then they'll have also a 15-minute break, and then they work until 6 o'clock. Now I can continue this for the entire second shift of a weekday, and I can add a third shift if I want to. Now the number of shifts is actually unlimited, so if on one line they work shifts of a different time, then you can add shift 1 weekday line A, and you can have a shift 1 weekday line B with all their own times. Or I can say I work different times if it's in the weekend. So for instance, I can have a shift 1 Sunday. I click update, I select it in the list at the top here, and I say on Sundays we only start working at 7, and then we work until 9 before they will have the first break, and again we'll take a 15-minute break, so we'll start again at 9:15, and then they'll go up to 11 o'clock. Well, I can continue this, I think you'll get the point. Then I can go ahead and schedule all the shifts that we've created over a 1-week period. We can configure everything by 1-week periods. So I have a shift schedule number 1, so I can have multiple shift schedules. Every production line can work according to their own time schedule. So I'll first start with the Monday. You see there was already shift 1 for weekdays assigned to the Monday, and I will add the second shift to the Mondays. Then Tuesday I can do the same. They also have a second shift now, and so on. I can repeat this for all the weekdays. Or I can say, well, on Sunday, you see there's actually no work on Sunday now, but we start working 1 shift on Sunday. So I have that configured now. At the bottom here you see all the times for specific days. So now you see on Monday the first shift works from 6 until 2 in the afternoon, and then the second shift starts at 2 in the afternoon up till 6 in the evening. And this is basically all that it is there is to it. As soon as this if you put it in the configurator, it will be added to the database and it will be active immediately. The only thing that is left to do now is take the shift schedule and assign this to the production line or the station that you want to have work according to those times. Now this part is done in the S95 database editor, for which there is a different instructional video. I hope this was helpful.